Code E, part 5 of 10, distance piece. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the units millimeter. Enter the name. Distance piece. Click OK. Type cylinder in the command search window. Select axis, diameter and height. Enter the diameter 14 mm and enter the height 3 mm. Now select cylinder. Enter the diameter 5.5 mm, height 82 mm. Select unit from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Select hole. Select simple hole. Enter the hole diameter 3.5 mm. Select the center of the cylinder. Enter the depth value 3 mm. Click OK. Select chamfer. Enter the distance 0.5 mm, angle 45 degree, and select these two edges. Click OK. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes code E, part 5 of 10, distance piece.